There is the door panel, and we will start off from the door handle side. Using the plastic trim remover tool, we will take out that plastic cover right there. Once the cover is out, right there is a 10mm screw that needs to be taken out. We'll be taking it out with 10mm socket and impact gun, but you can also use a round head ratchet and a 10mm socket if you want. Screw is out. Using the same tool, we will take out one more plastic cover right there, and there is one more 10mm screw that also needs to be taken out. We'll also need to take out that switch cover right there. Once the switch cover is pulled out, behind the cover there is one big plug. We'll need to press and hold this white color tab and then pull the plug outwards. Bigger plug is out. Also take out the smaller plug which is at the bottom side. Press and hold the tab in the middle and then pull the plug outwards. With both plugs out, there is the switch cover separated. Behind the switch cover, notice there is one more 10mm screw that also needs to be taken out. Now we will get to the bottom left corner of the door panel, and with some force we'll need to push the door panel outwards. We'll pull the other end as well. Also pull it from the middle side. Now lift the door panel upwards to take it out completely. We'll be needing more room to go behind the door panel, and for that we will need to pull both the harness from that bracket, and right there we have enough room to go behind the door panel. Pull out that white harness which is for the inner door lock. Also take out the black harness which is for the inner door handle. That plug right there is for the switch cover that we already took out earlier. Just need to keep it separated. With that, we are done taking out the door panel completely. Once you have taken out the door panel completely, from the top right portion, we will pull down this plastic cover. We are actually putting this plastic cover down in order to have an access towards that plug right there. That plug is actually attached with the door handle. First, we pull out the blue color tab outwards. Then we press and hold the blue color tab and then pull the plug outwards. There is that plug pulled out. Now we also need to take out this bracket right there. Since the place is quite tight there, so I'll be using the plastic trim remover tool, and I will push the bracket tabs from right and then left in order to pull it out. There it is. With that, we are done taking out the plug portion of the door handle. Right on the edge of the door from the right side, using a plastic trim remover tool, we will remove this circled cover. Notice right there in that spot there is one Torx 30 bit that needs to be unscrewed. We'll use a socket wrench, an extension, and Torx 30 bit in order to loose that screw. Now this is one of those screws that does not come out at the end completely. It just stays there, but the moment you notice the socket wrench is not coming out, that is the time we stop and then we go at the front. Now we are good to remove that small plastic cover just like that. To take out the bigger portion of the handle, grab the door handle and then push it towards left side. It should move ahead 2 to 3 inches towards left, and then we slightly pull out the door handle completely. You may have to wiggle your way out until you completely take out the plug portion of the door handle. There it is. With that, we are done taking out the door handle completely. In case if you want to put back this door handle, just reverse the steps we did and you should be fine. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.